this has clearly been a difficult night for many people, with over 1,000 properties flooded and quite a large number of people evacuated. But conditions like this only occur in some places every 500 years. So it's good that over 800,000 properties were protected by our flood defences. And I would really pay tribute to all those who've been working through the night, the Environment Agency, public services and local government. And I would stress that this is not over. There will still be exceptionally high tides today and tomorrow. And I would urge everybody to pay very close attention to advice from the Environment Agency and also to follow instructions from the police, local government and the emergency services.
Some more.